Hello guys and welcome back to MS Psych Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the Valorant error code VAN106, and let's get straight into it. So this error is most likely going to be with your internet connection. So the first thing that you guys can do is go ahead and just restart your Wi-Fi router, and if you don't know how to do that, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is just unplug all of the wires out of your router, wait 30 seconds to 1 minute, and then replug the wires back in. And once you do that, you can also go ahead and I recommend restarting your PC as well. So once you do that and you open up Valorant again, you can check to see if the error code has been fixed. Another method you guys can do is open up Valorant by running it as an administrator, and you can do that by right-clicking on Valorant on the desktop and simply click on Run as an administrator and just open up Valorant this way. And the third method that you guys can do is simply try to try to use an Ethernet cable instead of a network connection if you have. But if you don't, that's fine. You can just use the other two previous methods as well. And yeah. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.